Welcome back everybody to Ladybug Lane Soaps, and this is Margie, and thank you so much for joining me already. Gloves on, check, and here's my safety goggles, check. Alrighty, so this is Saturday, and I have had to have been waiting on the weekends to do my soaping because my husband and my oldest son, they have been at home now for a month and a half because of the stay-at-home order for the coronavirus, so I can only be making my soap on the weekend. So anyway, that's all right. So I hope everybody is well. Alrighty, so gang, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I had about 3 different fragrances from Nature's Garden. One was like a lime coconut, and so I wanted to use them up. And so this actually smells pretty good. The majority is probably the first 2. And this recipe, I totally changed it out because I needed to use some of my ingredients that were pushing the not the pull date, what do you want to call them? No, the expiration date. So this is not my usual recipe. So we shall see, but it should be a nice hard bar soap. And yeah, so this is 140 ounces of oils. We're at 86.3. And the lye solution, everything used to be a solution, you know, 93.2. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to take the temp of the fragrance oil because it's usually colder. Oh, look at that. It's almost 70. I have been still tinkering with the plan for this. And so I'll show you what I have. Now, I have never put the kaolin clay, which is mixed with about an ounce or a smooch more of water. But in these big buckets, it seems to kind of get lost. Oh, I forgot to turn on my little light here. There we go. And I know I've seen other soapers put their not kaolin clay, put in their titanium dioxide in. And that seems to work. So let me see if this is going to, because sometimes when you add water in your lye solution, it does heat up. So it's going up to 97. Yeah, see, so that is heating up a little bit. But it is nice and dispersed. I will say that much. So maybe I might be doing that from now on. So, all right, so let's get talking about the colors, gang, because everybody likes to know about colors. So for the green, I'm using just a little bit of the lime uphill from Nurture Soap, and this is the pistachio from Rustic Essentials. It's very nice. I've only used it a couple of times, so I'm thinking about maybe using that as the base. And let's see, this is from Brambleberry. I don't use this too often. It's the Mermaid Mica. I had to write it on there because it was all faded. But isn't that pretty? It's very sparkly. So I have a little bit of that mixed in with some of the Tropical Teal from Nurture Soap. Isn't that pretty? Hope you can see that. And Then I have some of the Love and Sunshine from Nurture Soap. And then I have a little bit of the titanium dioxide. So I think I'm gonna try something different today, gang. But you know, this is just gonna depend upon how this goes, because like I say, I have 3 different fragrance oils in here, and I did just a little steeper discount on the water in there. So I guess we will just see what happens. Okay, gang, let's go have some fun. Alrighty. So I'm hoping that this is not going to overflow. Oh my gosh. Seems like I'm always tempting fate. Yeah, I definitely need to get a larger container, don't I? I'm using my 12-pound slab mold. Okay, that wasn't bad. Yeah, and I will not add the fragrance oil until the very, very last, because you guys have seen me having my wonderful, funny little moments. Okay, still had a little bit of room to spare there. Okay. Might help if I have the blender plugged in. Plug it in, plug it in. All right. Okay. I am going to stop right there. So I got a bunch of mixing to do. Okay, I need to get moving because I have the kernel oil in here. Or the palm kernel oil, I guess I should call it. And that melts at a higher temperature, so this will get thicker faster. Okay, messy, messy, messy. for the cutting of whatever this is going to be called. Oh my gosh, look at this. Didn't that turn out? Let me see. There we go. Didn't that turn out nice? Oh my gosh. Okay, I forgot to grab my wax paper so it can scoot through a little easier. Bring that back down there. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alrighty, I hope this looks really nice on the inside. Okay. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Oh! I wish this mold was just a little bit longer. That's about the only thing I would change about it. I mean the cut. Woo! Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Looks like it has, let me see if I can show you. Oh, where are we? There we are. It has kind of like a little hole in there when I made, made the little scoops with the spoon. But look at that. Isn't that kind of neat? Yeah, I like that. I like it. I like it. Okay. So as you can, little hole there. There we go. So as you can see on the bottom here, it's starting to lighten up instead of having this darker, which I like. Oh shoot. There's another little, where'd it go? There's another little hole there. But I just love that design. Cool, cool. Wasn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. I just love all that glitter. All right, let's break out the Winchesters. As John Wayne used to say. Okay. I remember, gang, the first time, where are we at? Okay. Yeah, I remember the first time that I ever saw John Wayne in a movie was way back in 4th grade. And we had just moved from Seattle to, Maple Valley. And I had never even heard of John Wayne. Isn't that funny? Yes, we watched the movie Chisholm in the big lunchroom. Oh my gosh. Just love that. Okay, I think I kind of had lost my 1 1/4 inch mark. Okay. Alrighty. I think they'll probably look nicer, once this green changes color, but hey, I'll take it. These are definitely chunkier bars of soap. Chunky, chunky, chunky. Well, that's kind of neat. Oh, it looks like a little boot or something. I just love the sparkles. A little different. All right, gang. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.